Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, I've got Gurpreet with me, one of our on-campus students, 8 each, not even 8 each, I'll say 9 each, 89 overall with perfect 19 speaking, 90 writing, 86 in reading, 88 in listening. Band 9 in 4 of the modules. Congratulations, Gurpreet, very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
No, I remember Gurpreet studied with us 3 years back. That time she got 8 each as well. And she got her 190 invitation, but her PT scores expired. So she needed 8 each again within 2 weeks. Gurpreet, you came regularly to the lab, but you were a bit scared about your reading module, right? What do you think is important for reading, and how did you manage to score 86 in reading?
The thing that I was lacking is the proper strategies in reading and of course the feedback from the expert tutors. I remember when I visited the language academy, then Varun sir saw my previous scorecards, and Varun sir acted like a doctor for me. He diagnosed the illness in my PTE where I was lacking, and he recommends some tips and strategies, and along with the feedback, and then my PT is cured within the 2 weeks. So I'm very grateful to Varun sir, who helped me a lot in achieving my desired score. So the proper amount of practice is a key point for the reading scores. And when I was practicing that, I think that I was on the right path, but I was wrong. You need some expert tutors who can give you feedback, and where you are lacking, they will provide you the tips and strategies. So then you will achieve your desired score so quickly within the required time frame.
That's 120% correct. That's a very good example that I diagnosed your illness and you got the cure. That's an excellent way of explaining it, guys. Very important. If you are taking the exam again and again, but you're not getting the scores, you need to know what you're missing out, because unless and until you don't know what the mistake is, which area you need to work on, there's no point of just working hard. Along with working hard, it's very, very important that you work smartly in PD test, as Gurpreet did. Gurpreet, I remember you used to sit by yourself in the last lab and practice, right? How different is it practicing at home as compared with practicing in the lab?
While practicing in the lab, you will get the environment whatever you face in the real PTE exam. There are some noises, and we have to face the challenges in the exam as well. So in the lab session, you will get all the environment, as well as the expert tutor. Wherever you are lacking, they will provide you the feedback on the spot, and wherever you are have some doubts, they will guide you where you are lacking, and they will tell you the basic things that you need to practice more on that. So coming to the lab is very important, and especially the mock test. When you practice mock test, you will find that you can practice more on that stuff.
That's
Yeah.
100% correct.
Yeah.
Very, very important, as Gurpreet has mentioned, that when you come to the lab, you have the same environment. When you see 20 people studying, you are self-motivated, you want to study as well. But at home, you've got distractions, you've got social media, you've got a number of things. But when you see no one's using phone, 30 students are studying, and this tutor who is pushing you and giving you feedback, you are motivated and you work even harder. Plus, mock test extremely important, very important, because that is something which will give you a real picture that is your practice actually worth it? The time you're putting in for practice, are you actually getting some return from it? If you are making any mistake in the mock test, you rectify it then and there, and you do not repeat the same mistakes again in the actual test. That is why mock tests are very, very important. Gurpreet, any final tips, any advice for students who are struggling, they're missing out by few points, they're working hard but not getting the scores? Any advice, anything you specifically followed while preparing for the test?
I can't give the advice, but yeah, from my experience, I would say that practicing is a key point in the you are achieving the desired score. So if you have a proper guidance, then you will achieve the scores in no times. So I think that whenever you are practicing while at home or while at a lab session, you should have your expert tutor with you. So who can motivate you, who can guide you, who can tell you whatever you are doing is right or wrong. So in my journey, the feedback is very important. So I would recommend Language Academy. So every tutor is an expert here. You can they will clear your all the doubts, and you will be find excellent when you got your desired score.
Thank you for that, Gurpreet. What I personally believe why Gurpreet got this score perfect 19 modules, band 9 in reading and listening as well, because she was consistent. She never hesitated to ask whatever doubts she used to have. It's very important. Any confusion, any doubts you have, you straight away ask your tutors. Plus, she has taken the mock test regularly. I even remember when you were not able to make it to the lab, you used to send me your ID and password, and I used to provide you the feedback. That is something which is very important, because you take the mock test, you don't get the feedback, you don't know what you have to do. Very important. Whenever you take the mock test, you get the feedback, you work on your mistakes, turn those mistakes, improve those mistakes, and turn the weakness into strength. Go for the test and crack it as Gurpreet did. Congratulations and all the very best, Gurpreet. Hope you get your PR very soon.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. That's it from this video. Remember, if Gurpreet has done it, I have done it. Thousands of students are doing it every day. You can do it as well. You need to be consistent. Ask if you have any doubts. Take as many mock tests. Take the feedback and go and smash your PT test. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.